Welcome to NRS YouTube channel. Dear students, in the previous class we discussed uh, the introduction of IT, that is information technology, and the characteristics of an computer. So in the previous class we discussed two characteristics of a computer. One is that is the speed and accuracy. Speed and accuracy. And also we discussed the importance of computer and how the computer become the part of our life and what are the different kinds of the advantages we have and different type of what in which field the computer we are using. So that we will discuss. So today another two very important characteristics of computer, that is diligence and easy to learn. Okay. So what is the meaning of this diligence? So diligence in the sense, already we discussed that computer is a multitasking, right? Computer is a multitasking machine. So at a time you can give any work, whether it is playing a video or playing an audio, or whether it is a typing, whether you can perform any system operation, right? So it will handle more than one operation, it handle more than one task, so that we call it as multitasking, that already we discussed. So diligence in the sense, so compared to the human, right? So suppose one example I will give you. Suppose if I give one particular task to the one student, right? So after completing that work, so if I give the same work again and again, right? So if the repetitive task will happen, when the repetitive task will happen, suddenly as a human will get a bore, isn't it, right? So but computer, if you come to the computer, so whether it is calculation, whether it is any other operation, or whether any file management, whether it is a repetitive task, whether it is a single task, whatever it is, but diligence in the sense, it is a clever, right? Computer will be, it's a very clever, and as well as it doesn't feel any bore, right? First of all, it is a machine, right? But we human, if you go for the repetitive task, same task repetitively, suddenly we will get a bore. So, but here the computer is a diligence. It means it is a smart. It is a smart. So next one we have easy to learn. One more we have easy to learn. So the computer, it is not the complex machine, right? The internal part, it is a complex, but the computer, the working of computer is a user friendly. Okay, so whatever the we have depend upon the operating system. Okay, and today we have the Windows operating systems. So we have different versions in Windows. Okay, right? And with the help of a graphical user interface, and in today's world, right, the computer become, it is very easy to learn, right? So how to use the input devices and how to operate the output devices, right? And how to operate some basic operations in computer. So if you learn these things, then it will be very easy to handle your computer, right? So input devices in the sense like a keyboard, mouse, right? That is the jack, right? And output devices like monitor, the printer, right? So how to handle these devices, or how to handle the hardware parts of the computer, and as well as how to handle the inside the file management, whether it is any operations of a computer inside the computer, right? So see these basic things if you learn, then it is very easy. Okay, so today most of the people, they use the computer in their personal life, right? So and it is not a complex one, it is not a complex one. Okay, so don't think that so computer is very difficult, right? So so you can use computer in a few days, right? Some basic operations if you know, then definitely you can learn. Okay, yes. So these are the characteristics of an computer. The one is speed, accuracy, diligence, and easy to learn. Okay, so these are the main characteristics we have. Okay, so next we have the role of an computer. Okay, or the role or importance of an IT in different fields. So that we'll see in the next class, like the importance of IT or importance of computer in a different field, like whether it is a home, whether it is a banking, or whether it is a library, whether it is in a any industries, in a industry, the IT in hospital. Okay, so one by one, so that we'll see in the next class. Okay, thank you.